In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an employee's billing rate in QuickBooks Accountant. This process is quite straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes to complete. So let's get started and guide you step by step through this process. To begin first, you need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Once there, ensure you're selecting QuickBooks Online because that's the platform we're focusing on today. Next, you will need to enter your login credentials. If you have your username and password handy, go ahead and type them in. After entering your credentials, click Continue to access your account. It's always a good idea to ensure your login details are secure and updated regularly for your safety. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to the Employees section. You can do this by clicking on the Employees tab from your QuickBooks dashboard. This area is where you can manage all details related to your current staff. If you have multiple employees, you might find it useful to make use of the search or filter options to quickly locate the profile you're looking to update. Once you've found the right profile, click on it to open the employee's detailed profile page. You should see a variety of options and tabs here, but our focus will specifically be on the employment details section. So click on employment details. This is where the billing information associated with their profile can be updated. After accessing the employment details, you'll notice there's an option to edit. Clicking edit will allow you to modify the current billing rate set for the employee. Take a moment to ensure you have the correct rate that you want to update it to. It's crucial that the rate reflects the agreed terms between you and your employee to avoid any discrepancies in billing. Go ahead and change the billing rate to the desired new amount. Double check this figure to ensure it's accurate before proceeding. Once you're satisfied with the change, the final step is to click on Save. This ensures that all updates are finalized and your employee's billing rate is correctly adjusted in the system. And there you have it. You've successfully updated the billing rate for an employee in QuickBooks Accountant. This minor adjustment can significantly streamline your invoices and payroll processes, making your bookkeeping just a little bit easier. If you have any further queries or need additional support, QuickBooks has a help section or community forums that are very useful. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.